Hello, IT. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are. If you are a person who is keen to know what is coming new in the IT industry and would like to know about new certification opportunities or maybe any new learning opportunities, I would request you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel and also make sure to enable the all notification icon. Now, without further ado, let us go ahead and see how you can get some free swags and also some huge learning opportunity from Google. Now, this is a campaign launched recently in association with Udacity and Google Cloud. Now, under this program, you will have access to free learning modules in Udacity learning platform. It's a very well-known learning platform. I have done some scholarships and some boot camps in past. And yeah, the learning opportunity was really awesome. I enjoyed the learning. Now here, with the learning opportunity, you also get a chance to get free swags. Now, please note there is a limit. Now, you can just go through this link here. I'll be attaching it to the video, and there are certain criterias you will have to meet, and according to the criteria that you fall in, they will be sending out the communications and through which you will be able to get the swags. Now there are modules, multiple modules. This one falls under the generative AI with Google Cloud. Then there is Google Workspace module, and then there is the Google Cloud Digital Leader Training. So what I have done right now is I have enrolled myself for all the three, and I've just started with Cloud Digital Leader Training. Now, once you go ahead into the modules, you will see all the learning modules in there. Now, I have reached till here. This is a present module that I'm working on. Uh, just go through the videos. This is all videos you have in here as part of the learning opportunity. Once you've gone through the video, come to the quiz, attend the quiz, and once you attend the quiz and complete the modules, you will be enrolled to the finalists who will be getting the communication regarding how you can redeem your swag. So please go ahead, enroll for the activity, get the learning opportunity out of this, and also, if possible, redeem some swags. Until we see next, have a great day ahead. Bye for now.